On a cold and snowy day, Russian troops launched an air and ground operation against positions of the Ukrainian armed forces. First, we see drones attacking. Then the soldiers go directly into the positions and try to eliminate the dangers using grenades. Then they open direct fire on the bunkers.
Троих синих забрали. Молодчики, все, парни, закрепляемся.
A soldier of the Russian armed forces was given the task of throwing an anti-tank mine. The soldier, advancing alone to the positions, ran to the point where he was to throw the anti-tank mine, and without delay, threw the bag full of anti-tank mines inside and ran away. With a huge explosion, the target was blown up. The soldier ran away from the scene. Don't forget to leave your opinion about the video in the comments, subscribe, and like. Bradley was destroyed in the Pokrovsky direction. As a result of 2 drone strikes by fiber optic drones, the Bradley armored combat vehicle was destroyed by fire. The FPV drone operators of the 14th Guards Brigade of the Special Forces of the Vostok Group moved quickly towards the pickup truck they had spotted. They encountered 4 soldiers. This is what happened. Weather conditions in the southern Donetsk direction are very bad. Despite the difficult weather conditions, the drone operators of the 14th Guards Brigade of the Special Forces of the Vostok Group destroyed the Kozak armored combat vehicle as a result of successive drone strikes. The Kozak armored combat vehicle is a military vehicle of the MRAP class. It is manufactured by the Ukrainian defense company Praktika. It provides high protection against mines and small arms fire. Fierce clashes continue to take place in Malinovka. Russian FPV drone operators are conducting direct FPV drone strikes on temporary deployment positions. The advantage gained as a result of the attacks has expanded the logistics routes of the Russian troops. Intelligence in the hit positions was seriously damaged. The position of the front line of Russian troops in Ruskoe, Cherkasko, and Poreshnoye has improved, but this is more of a tactical success, because the line of control remained virtually unchanged. A group of soldiers were planning to unload building materials and build a small place in the woods. The truck was also equipped with an electronic warfare system. Detecting the situation, Russian FPV drone operators skillfully flew without hitting the branches of the trees and destroyed the truck by hitting it directly. Russian reconnaissance drone operators transmitted the coordinates of a group of Ukrainian armed forces soldiers to the artillery unit. The artillery unit, which precisely adjusted the coordinates, started firing. The incident took place in the Donetsk region. The video belongs to the Russian Defense Ministry. The operation was carried out by the artillery of the Zapad Force Group. A pickup truck parked on the side of the road was detected in the Kharkiv region. Russian drone operators then sent attack drones in succession to completely destroy the vehicle. 4 drones directly attacked the truck. I'm guessing that this is probably a truck that was used to relocate Ukrainian soldiers. They don't have a truck anymore. The calculation of the Tor-M20 anti-aircraft missile system of the 1st Guards Combined Arms Army of the Zapad Group of Forces destroyed reconnaissance. Tor-M1, SA-15 Gauntlet, is a Russian-made short-range air defense system developed to protect against aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and smart munitions. The Tor-M1 and its more advanced versions, Tor-M2, are used by a number of countries, including Russia, China, Iran, Egypt, Greece, Azerbaijan, and Belarus. In Dzerzhinsk, Donetsk Oblast, a Russian kamikaze drone destroyed an armored vehicle of the Ukrainian armed forces with a precision strike. After the armored vehicle was destroyed, another tank was detected in the same area, and the tank was also destroyed by a kamikaze drone. In the forests of Kharkov, the operator of the Vandal fiber optic drone moves slowly to his target, without touching any bushes in fine and precise maneuvers. As soon as he reaches his target, he suddenly accelerates and launches a direct attack. A direct attack on an abandoned pickup truck on the side of the road was carried out and the truck was destroyed. In the direction of Kupiansk, positions of the Ukrainian armed forces were detected and destroyed one by Russian FPV drones. Lancet, ZALA Lancet, specialized for autonomous and kamikaze attack. Orlan 10 FPV, modification, capable of reconnaissance and target marking. Flying commercial FPV drones, cheap drones that can be modified to carry anti-tank or bombs. Tachyon FPV, a reconnaissance drone more resistant to electronic warfare systems. Russia and Ukraine are two countries that have used drones extensively in warfare. There are differences between the drones of both sides, but the most important differences are in technology, range, types of attack, and production processes. Russia focuses on larger, longer-range kamikaze drones. Ukraine uses lighter, faster, and more accurate FPV and UCAV systems more effectively. Both sides use electronic warfare systems to neutralize enemy drones. The Defense Ministry showed how the Ukrainian armed forces in the Donetsk region captured their positions and destroyed bunkers and ammunition. The bunkers were destroyed by FPV drones and grenades thrown by soldiers into the bunkers. Don't forget to leave your opinion about the video in the comments, subscribe, and like. The engineering troops of the Russian Federation are using the latest and modernized equipment to clear the mines laid by the enemy. They also clear mines in training areas as part of military exercises. This vehicle is the Russian-made Uran-6 robotic demining vehicle. Its purpose is to clear explosives. Mines, improvised explosive devices, prevent human casualties during demining. The Russian soldiers' pontoon bridge park is a set of equipment used by military engineering units to quickly overcome water obstacles. BM-21 Grad Launcher, one of the most widely used multi-barrel rocket launcher systems. Number of rockets, 40 122mm rockets. Range, 20 to 40 kilometers. Longer range with modernized rockets. Vehicle, mounted on Ural 375D or modern Ural 4320 trucks. American armored personnel carriers and tanks trying to advance in the Kursk region were hit by drones with pinpoint accuracy. FPV drones are small, but very effective. If used correctly, they can cause considerable damage, or even completely destroy the target. Destroying moving vehicles is a very difficult task, because targeting the sensitive points of tanks and armored vehicles is a difficult task. In the Kursk region, reconnaissance drones detected a bunker with Ukrainian soldiers. The coordinates were then reported to the attack UAV operators. A drone attack on the Ukrainian armored infantry vehicle took place from the front. I'll leave it to your interpretation what it was this time. What do you think the drone operator attacked? Ukrainian tank waiting alone on the road was attacked from behind by a drone.